Hi everyone, my name is Avi Patel, and today I'm beyond excited to reintroduce Kled, the first fully accessible data marketplace. We're back, and we're back better than ever. Over the last 3 months now, we've been working really hard on fully reimagining how Kled works from not only an app perspective, but also a research and data sales perspective. I'm really proud to say that the entire team has made breakthroughs on every front of the business, and I'll be covering everything in this video, including the new version 2 mobile app, fully out of beta testing with no waitlist, packed with hundreds of new features, the new enterprise contracts and partnerships with some of the largest media conglomerates, breakthrough research developments brought to you by some of the brightest minds from Stanford, a full and complete rebrand, storytelling changes, and aesthetic changes, exciting investor updates regarding the latest fundraise valuing us at $100 million, and updates on ERCS. Let's get started. Introducing the new version 2 mobile app, the first app that lets anyone upload their personal data, pictures, images, videos, documents, etc., and get paid for it. The new mobile app has everything from performance updates to hundreds of new features. First, we've completely removed the waitlist. Everyone has been let into the app. New users can sign up seamlessly and get paid for uploading their data. We've added sign-up support for Google, email, Apple ID, traditional password, and phone number OTP. Now, previously, we had tons of unresolved bugs that have all been fixed. On top of that, we've implemented dynamic chunking, parallel uploads, and more. As a result, we've more than tripled our upload speed, so whether you're on the go or sitting at home, uploading your data and getting paid for it has never been a more seamless experience. Now, the first change you'll notice when uploading content is we finally check duplicate content on the spot. Previously, users could upload multiple of the same files, taking up their account storage and reducing their payout significantly. Now, if you ever upload duplicate content, it will be rejected immediately on the spot. To add to that, we've improved our classifier on the back end and plagiarism checker 5x on both speed and performance. Our goal is to ensure that Kled's pipeline of consumer data is of the highest quality. Now, for the last notable performance update on our end, we've greatly improved the classifier. Every image and video is now rigorously labeled, meaning at scale, when there's large demand for niche data sets, we can plug and play user data much better and then pay out users more and faster. Speaking of payouts, let's talk about some of the coolest features in Kled version 2. So, to start this off, we've added payment support for Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, and Solana cryptocurrency. Users will now be able to choose where they want to receive their payouts and uploading their data and when. We'll be rolling out over 100 different supported currencies throughout the year. We've also increased our payout speeds. Some users were waiting over 2 weeks once uploading their pictures, videos, and documents. Users can now expect payouts within 1 to 7 days. On top of all of that, there's now a full affiliate system and affiliate center directly in app, so you can invite your friends and reap the rewards. The last huge update regarding payouts is we completely removed the concept of batches. Before, users had to wait for enterprise contracts to come in before being eligible to receive payouts for uploading their data. Now, due to extreme enterprise demand, at our current pace, we'll be able to constantly support payouts for users uploading their data. So, no matter what time of day it is, what month of the year, you can upload your data, always get paid for it. Our next big feature release is Kled Special Tasks, the first terminal of domain-specific tasks directly from leading enterprises, all for boosted rewards and payouts. We realized really quickly that in order to best channel our users, we can't just focus on random uploads from a person's camera roll or file folder. We need to get way more niche because niche and specific is what every enterprise and data purchaser on the planet wants. Users will now be able to complete cool tasks like upload their last homework assignment, or take a picture of potholes in the area, or even take a video of yourself taking out the trash. Hundreds of tasks will roll out throughout the year, and we've already seen over $10 million in active contracts for this niche data. This will all contribute to our ultimate goal of making Kled the full data side hustle, a fully viable source of income for all of our users. More tasks, more data, more money. The final feature we want to highlight is Kled integrations. Users will now be able to link their Google Drive, Dropbox, and more importantly, all of their other apps to their Kled account. That way, at your discretion, any data you upload to Drive, for example, will auto-upload to Kled, and you will get paid for it. We'll be rolling out thousands of the integrations throughout the year with the same underlying logic. We're more importantly focused on the top applications like Netflix, Spotify, Uber, etc. We've built the system to track app usage, as niche as how long you watch your last show, what your most favorite places to drive to are, and your most hated genre of music. Data that is invaluable to advertisers, hedge funds, and more. We expect a large chunk of our future payouts to come passively via these integrations, and we're excited to fully start rewarding users for their data. This is a good segue into our enterprise section, discussing not only who's paying for this data, but also some of the exciting partnerships with enterprises who are supplying us this data. Remember, Kled is not only a consumer marketplace, we are focused on enterprise data, and we're a major player in enterprise data. We built some of the strongest rights holder networks across healthcare, finance, engineering, consulting, film, production, and more. Let's talk about it.
What you gonna do when she's writing your paycheck? So now what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Just be a pet.
Starting off with film and video, since 3 months ago, we're really proud to say that we've more than 7x'd our enterprise data library. Kled has signed a projected over $1 billion in IP rights, which includes some of the most popular film and TV series, including episodes from Bugs Bunny, Tom and Jerry, The Twilight Zone, Superman, Al Capone, Mighty Mouse, and over 140,000 mainstream titles. These are all exclusive deals, meaning that if you want to train off this content, you have to come through Kled. Beyond mainstream IP, we've gathered high-quality content that's never before seen, including but not limited to thousands of hours of aerial drone footage, thousands of hours of POV military warfare footage, POV robotics training, including cooking, chores, manufacturing, and so much more. You can find a full breakdown of these partnerships on the Datasets tab of our site, where you can also see some cool partnership videos with these media conglomerates. Now, looking beyond the horizon of film content, here's a breakdown of some of the data we've signed from healthcare, finance, engineering, consulting, and more. We've signed over 50 million patient medical records, which Kled is anonymized to protect HIPAA rights. We've partnered with 8 schooling institutions, providing us precision POV heart and brain surgery footage. We've signed and anonymized over 20,000 Slack communications from top-notch engineering and accounting firms with over 100 to 500 employees, and so much more, ranging from SAP ERP data, Oracle NetSuite, Shopify, and more. It should be clear now that Kled is no longer a scrappy AI data company. Our brand needs to reflect that, and our design lead, Eric, has spent the last 3 weeks completely reimagining the Kled brand. We're proud to show off our new website. We're very happy with it. The consumer app we built can keep the hustle vibe, but at its core, Kled is a rights holder first brand and a research company. We publish videos with users who have made Kled a daily income generator, videos of our rights holder partnerships, research articles, news stories, a full product showcase, and more. On top of that, all the changes and improvements we've made to our mobile application are fully bridged over to the web app and will soon be on Android as well. A proper site and a proper brand that is fitting for a $100 million company. Speaking of which, Kled is now a $100 million company. Our last fundraise was a smashing success, and our latest valuation being $100 million. We've raised over $3 million now from top institutions like K5 Global, Magic Labs, Everbloom, A16Z Scout, Bain Scout, and top-tier angels like Zach Greenberger, the former CBO of Lyft, Max Marchione, the founder of Superpower, Paul Jacobian, the founder of Copy AI, and even creators with 100 million subscribers like Pandaboy. Lastly, we're in final stages with CRCS, Street, and we're finding a legally compliant way to bridge this equity value on-chain. Expect more updates very, very soon on this. I hope you enjoyed, and we're just getting started.